Selamat siang, rekan-rekan sekalian. Pada kesempatan siang hari ini saya ingin sharing eh, terkait dengan strategic action, strategic formulation, dan business level strategy. Langsung saja, eh, overview the strategic management process. Prosesnya itu terdiri dari strategic inputs, kemudian strategic input itu adalah terdiri dari external environment, lingkungan eksternal, dan internal organization, lingkungan internal organisasi. Setelah ini diidentifikasi, maka selanjutnya adalah kita merumuskan eh, visi dan misi. Nah, setelah dirumuskan visi dan misi, maka langkah selanjutnya adalah itu formulasi strategi ataupun strategic formulation. Nah, strategic formulation ini itu dibahas dalam 6 chapter. Itu ada chapter 4 business level strategy, dan chapter 5 itu competitive rivalry and competitive dynamics. Chapter 8 corporate level strategy. Chapter 7 itu adalah merger and acquisition strategy. Chapter 8 international strategy. Chapter 9 cooperative strategy. Ini merupakan strategic action atau perencanaan aksi strategi. Ulangin, maksud saya strategi aksi ya. Nah, kemudian ada strategi untuk setelah kita formulasikan, maka kita menyusun strategi implementasi ataupun strategic implementation. Itu terbagi dalam 4 bab. Ada chapter 10 itu corporate governance, tata kelola perusahaan. Chapter 11 itu adalah organizational structure and controls. Chapter 12 itu adalah strategic leadership. Chapter 13 adalah strategic entrepreneurship. Strategic competitiveness. Nah, setelah dilakukan strategic formulation, strategic implementation, baru kita menyusun strategic. Ini akan menghasilkan strategic competitiveness above average returns, seperti itu. Strategic competitiveness ini berarti setelah itu kita hasilkan feedback. Feedback itu akan menjadi strategic outcomes. Langsung saja, overview 5 content areas. Itu number 1 is defining level strategy. Kemudian relationship between customer and strategy. Difference in business level strategy. 5 force risk of business of level strategy. Ini ada satu contoh dari perusahaan teknologi, berarti komputer ya. Ini contoh saja. Setidaknya tidak mesti ini hanya contoh saja, tapi contoh ini menurut saya cukup bagus karena ini bagian dari international business. Kenapa saya katakan demikian? Acer ini merupakan perusahaan manufaktur untuk laptop yang berskala internasional. Nah, jadi contoh untuk formnya untuk perusahaan Acer Group ini merupakan udah internasional. Jadi tidak mesti contohnya ini bisa diterapkan untuk organisasi, mungkin tidak sama ya, mungkin bagi organisasi pendidikan kurang cocok menggunakan Acer, tapi ada persamaan. Nah, persamaan itu di mana? Acer ini merupakan perusahaan multinasional dan sudah skala internasional dan produknya itu sudah hampir semua seluruh masyarakat dunia itu tahu Acer, laptop merek Acer itu tahu, hampir semuanya. Itu Acer, HP, Lenovo itu apalagi handphone saat ini ada Samsung itu perusahaan multinasional. Artinya ada persamaan strategi bisnis yang bisa ditiru di situ, yang bisa diadopsi, yang bisa diambil di situ. Nah, jadi menurut saya tidak mesti ini, tapi bisa diterapkan bagi perusahaan-perusahaan yang masih berskala nasional atau berskala lokal, yang mau go internasional seperti itu. Nah, baik, langsung saja for PC Brands itu adalah Acer, Gateway, Packard Bell, Imagine, gitu ya. Elements of Acer low cost strategy. Nah, elemen dari strategi untuk low cost strateginya itu adalah sales only through retail, other outlets, no direct sales. Berarti di dalam direct sales ini eh, high cost ya. Kalau kita melakukan penjualan langsung dari Acer tanpa melalui agen atau retail, ini akan kemungkinan akan eh, memperbesar biaya produksi, katakanlah seperti itu. Nah, out, outsource all manufacturing and assembly. Jadi sumber daya eh, untuk fabrikasi dan pemasangan instalasi itu berasal dari outsource ya, sumber daya luar ya, bukan dari internal perusahaan. Jadi mungkin bisa menggunakan vendor, pihak ketiga dan lain-lain, yang pasti bukan dari internal perusahaan. Kemudian take control of overhead cost, other overhead is minus 8% of sales, HP minus 50%, Dell minus 14%. Ini merupakan perbandingan dari overhead cost dari masing-masing tiga produk perusahaan manufaktur di bidang komputer dan laptop. Ya. Kemudian elemen yang lainnya adalah fokus on consumer and small or middle size business. Oke, mereka itu fokus kepada konsumen, ya, kepada konsumennya dan fokus kepada industri menengah, medium, dan bisnis dengan skala kecil dan menengah. Nah, skala ini kalau dibilang bisnis ini berarti kan sudah besar. Skala ini bisa diukur dengan uang, ya, untuk mengukur skala bisnisnya ini, size of bisnis ini bisa diukur dengan uang, bisa diukur dengan quantity production, ya, QP ya, quantity production, bisa dengan karyawan juga bisa, ya, employee, size of employee juga bisa dihitung, ataupun dari apa, aset dari perusahaan juga bisa seperti itu. Kemudian relationship customer and strategy. Strategy ya, increasingly important to firm success and concern with making choice among two or more alternative choice dictated by external environment, internal resources, capabilities, and core competencies. Business level strategy, integrated and coordinated set of commitments and action the firm eh, used to gain, yang digunakan untuk eh, kompetitif, untuk memperoleh sebuah keuntungan kompetitif by exploiting core competencies in specific product in specific product markets. Satisfying customer is the foundation of successful business strategies. Oke. Kepuasan konsumen adalah fondasi dari kesuksesan dari strategi bisnis ya. Jadi pondasinya itu, jadi kalau kita buat pondasi, kalau dikatakan pondasi berarti tadi kalau ini dia bangunan ya seperti itu, katakanlah tadi ini bangunan ya, katakanlah itu bangunan. Ini bangunan seperti ini, pondasinya berarti ini. Pondasi itu dia ada di sini nih. Pondasi itu bisa seperti ini. Nah, di sini dia pondasi seperti ini. Bisa seperti ini, pondasi. Pondasi. Nah, ini dikatakan pondasi, berarti dia ada di level bawah. Kepuasan konsumen itu menjadi pondasi. Nah, seperti itu. Managing relationship with customer. Managing relationship with customer. Reach listener evaluation. Kemudian who will be served, what need will be satisfied, and how those needs will be satisfied. Jadi ada managing, ya, kemudian reach, ya, who will be served, what needs will be satisfied. Five generic business level strategies. Generic can be used in any organization operating in any industry. Generic can be used in any organization. Generic itu artinya equal can be used in any organization competing in any industry. Generic ya, jadi bisa digunakan untuk semuanya. Follows the discussion of customers. Iya. And then customer their relationship with business level strategy. Strategic competitiveness result when firm can satisfy customers by using its competitive advantage. And returns earned are the lifeblood of firm. Most successful companies satisfy current customers and or meet needs of new customers. Customers, their relationship with business level strategy. 5 component in customer relationship. Number 1, effectively managing relationship with customer. deliver superior value. Strong interactive relationship is foundation. Number two, rich richness and affiliation. Access and connection to customer. Deep and detailed two-way flow of information between firm and customer. Facilitating useful interaction with customer. Five component in customer relationship. Number three, who determining the customer to serve. Market segmentation. Dividing customer into groups based on difference in needs. Process used to cluster people with similar needs to individual and identifiable groups. For example, consumer and industrial markets. Number four, what determining which customer needs to satisfy what equal needs related to a product benefits and features must anticipate and be prepared high quality or low price. Translate into features and performance capabilities of products. How determining core competencies necessary to satisfy customer needs. Core competencies, resources, and capabilities that serve as source of competitive advantage from over its rivals. How equal core competencies. Purpose, purpose to create difference between position of a firm and its competitors. Firm must make a deliberate choice to perform activities differently, perform different activities. Activity map exemplifies upon activities, how they are integrated. So West Ireland activity map, not the primary and six and secondary nodes or activities and the connectedness or fit. Fit is key to sustainability of competitive advantage. For example, Southwest Airline activity system. Yeah. No meals. Yeah. No meals. Then no seat assignment. Uh, Sorry. Limited passenger service is consists of no meals and then no assignment, no seat assignment, no baggage transfer. Then frequent reliable departures uh, is consists of 5 minutes gets turned around and then learn highly productive ground and get gross consists of high compensation of employees and then flexible union contracts and then high level of employee stock ownership, then high aircraft utilization is consists of automatic ticketing machine, a very low ticket price consists of Southwest, the low fare airline, and then limited use of travel agent, and then short haul point to point routes between mid-sized cities and secondary airports. No connection with other airline. Two types of competitive advantage. Two types of competitive advantage must choose between. Costs are way lower than others. Uniqueness are really different. How? Two types of motive scope must choose between broad target, narrow target. This combine to yield 5 different BL strategies. 5 business level strategies is competitive advantage, competitive the area of competitive advantage and competitive scope. Competitive scope is broad target, cost, narrow target. When we are level in competitive scope in broad target, and competitive advantage is cost. So the strategy is cost leadership. And when the competitive scope is broad target and competitive advantage is uniqueness, so the strategy is differentiation. And then narrow target, competitive advantage is cost. So the strategy is focus cost leadership. And where narrow target, a competitive scope is narrow target, and competitive advantage is uniqueness. So the strategy is focus differentiation. And in the middle of competitive strategy in competitive scope and competitive advantage is integrated cost leadership and differentiation. Cost leadership. Competitive advantage, the low cost leader and operates with managing greater than competitors. Competitive scope, broad. Integrated set of action designed to produce or deliver goods or service with features that are acceptable to customer at the lowest cost relative to competitors. No free standardized goods. Continuously reduce cost of value chain activities. Then inbound, outbound logistic account for significant costs. And then low cost position is a valuable defense against rival. Cost leadership, CL, or CL is consists of cost leaders are in a position to absorb supplier price increases and relationship demands for suppliers to hold down their price and continuously improving level of efficiency and cost reduction. Can be difficult to replicate and serve as significant entry barriers to potential competitors. And then cost leaders hold an attractive position in the terms of product substitutes with the flexibility to lower price to retain customer. Example, Greyhound Bus, Big Lots, and Walmart. Example of value creating uh, activities associated with the cost leadership strategy. From infrastructure, uh, the value chain is cost effective management information system. From infrastructure, yes, consists of cost in effective management information system, relatively few managerial layers in order to reduce overhead costs, simplified planning practice to reduce planning costs. Human resource management consists of consistent policies to reduce turnover costs, intense and effective training program to improve worker efficiency and effectiveness. Technological development, easy to use, manufacturing technologies, investment in technologies in order to reduce costs associated with a firm's manufacturing process, procurement system and procedure to find the lower cost with acceptable quality product to purchase as raw materials, frequent evaluation process to just to monitor supplier opportunities. Highly efficient system tooling suppliers products with the firm production process. Use economic of scales to reduce production costs. Construction of efficient scale production facilities. Sorry, yeah. Outbound logistic, sorry, yeah. Inbound logistic is highly efficient. A system tooling suppliers product with the firm production process, operation, use of economic of scale to reduce production costs, construction of efficient scale production facilities, outbound logistic, and delivery schedule that reduce costs, selection of low-cost transportation carriers, marketing sales, a small, highly trained sales force, product priced so as to generate significant sales volume, service, efficient and proper product installation in order to reduce the frequency and severity of recalls. Cost leadership. In relationship to the 5 force, rivalry against existing competitor, rivals hesitate to compete and the basis of price, bargaining power of buyer customer, bargaining power of suppliers, potential entrance, product substitutes. Competitive risk of the cost leadership strategy is source of cost advantage become obsolete. Focus on cost may cause the firm to overlook important customer preference and imitation. Next, yeah, sorry, yeah, I want to take a rest for a minute. Sorry. Okay, come back again. Sorry for waiting time. Yeah. Next, differentiation. The business level strategy and differentiation consists of competitive advantage, differentiation, competitive scope, broad, integrated set of action designed by a firm to produce or deliver goods or service at an acceptable cost that customer perceive as being different in ways that are important to them. Target customer perceive product value, customize product differentiating on as many features as possible. Example, Apple's iPod. The example of value creating activities associated with differentiation strategy. From infrastructure, highly developed information system and system to better understand customer purchasing preference. Human resource management, compensation programs intend to encourage worker creativity and productivity, and somewhat extensive use of subjective rather than objective performance measures. Superior personal training. Technology development, strong capability in basic research. Investment in technologies that will allow the firm to produce highly differentiated product. Procurement, system and procedure used to find the highest quality raw materials. A purchase of highest quality replacement part. Superior handling of incoming raw materials so as to minimize damage and to improve the quality of the final product. Consistent manufacturing of attractive product, rapid response to customers' unique manufacturing specification, outbound logistic, accurate and responsive order processing procedure, rapid and timely product deliveries to customer. Extensive granting of credit buying arrangement for customer, extensive personal relationship with buyer and supplier, service extensive buyer training to assure high quality product installation, complete field stock, complete field stocking or replacement parts. Nah, differentiation in relationship to the five force rivalry against existing competitors consists of customer or loyal purchases of differentiated product, etc. Both. And then next, bargaining power of buyer or customer consists of inverse relationship between loyalty or product. As loyalty increases, price sensitivity decreases, and Callaway golf clubs. Next, bargaining power of suppliers provide high quality components driving up firms' costs. Costs may be passed on to customer. Potential entrants, substantial barriers, see above, and will require significant resource investment. Next, product substitutes. Customer loyalty efficiency position from against product substitutes. Competitive risk of differentiation strategy is customers determine that the cost of differentiation is too great. The means of differentiation may keys to provide value for which customers are willing to pay. Experience can narrow customer perception of the value of products, differentiation features, and counterfeiting. There are two focus strategies. In general, the firm's core competency used to serve the need of particular industry segment or niche to the exclusion of others. May lack resources to complete the broader market, may be able to more effectively serve a narrow market segment than larger industry-wide competitors. From my direct resource to certain value chain activities to build competitive advantage, less from my overlook small niche. Focus strategy is simple. Buyer groups, youth or senior citizen, product line segment, professional painter groups, geographic market, West versus East Coast. Focus cost leadership, competitive advantage, low cost, competitive scope, narrow industry segment. Focus differentiation, competitive advantage, differentiation, competitive scope, narrow industry segment, etc. In the outdoor recreation business, a firm that cater to fly fishing is following a focus differentiation strategy as opposed to discount stores that carry general fishing gear, high quality equipment, knowledge personnel, guide tours, fly tying classes. Risk of using focus strategies, competitor may be able to focus on a more narrowly defined qualitative segment and outfocus the focuser. A company competing an industry-wide basis wide. He said that the market segment served by the focus strategy firm is attractive and worthy of competitive pursuit. Customer needs within a narrow competitive segment may become more similar to those of industry-wide customer as whole. Integrated CL or differentiation, integrated cost leadership or differentiation efficiently produce product with differentiated attributes, efficiency source of low cost, differentiation source of uniquely value. Can adapt to new technology and rapid change in external environment, simultaneously concentrate onto source of competitive advantage, cost, and differentiation. Consequently, must be competent in many the primary and support activities. The source of flexibility useful for the strategy. Three flexible source includes flexible manufacturing system, computer control process used to produce a variety of product in moderate flexible quantities with a minimum of manual intervention. Goal: eliminate low cost versus product variety, trade-off inherent in traditional manufacturing technologies, information networks information asset using technology to link supplier, distributor, and customer. Total quality management system, emphasis from total commitment to the customer and continue improvement of every process through data-driven problem solving of process based on empowering employees. Competitive risk of integrated strategies, although becoming more popular, the risk is getting stuck in the middle. Cost structure is not low enough for attractive pricing of product and product not sufficiently differentiated to create value for target customer, therefore fail to successfully implement their either low cost or differentiation strategy. Result don't earn above average returns. Oke, sudah selesai. Ya, baik. Terima kasih. Baik, ya sudah selesai terkait dengan materi tentang business level strategi. Jadi business level strategi tadi sudah dijelaskan bahwa ada beberapa strategi business level itu ya ada tadi beberapa strategi. Kesimpulannya adalah ada cost leadership, differentiation, fokus cost leadership, dan fokus differentiation. Ya, demikian yang bisa saya share pada kesempatan kali ini. Sampai ketemu dengan materi yang selanjutnya. Terima kasih.